Alright, this is my wife's Nissan Rogue. It's been in a few of my videos replacing this door handle and the lock assembly, and I did the passenger side also. What it's doing now is a little different. So you can roll the windows down here, but you can't do the passenger side. It kind of wants to, but not every time. But if you come over here, it works every time on this side. So it works here, but not here. So that's telling me there's something wrong with the switch, because all the other positions work. So I went on Amazon, like I do. I got a kit. Comes with this neat little tool that is used to pry this thing up with, and it comes with the new switches. So I will try to link to the description for this, and I'll get to replacing. I believe all you need to do is take this and pry it up like so, and underneath here is going to be a connector and some fillet screws, I think, to get that out. So there's a couple connectors. Oh, let me turn the key off. There it goes. And then it doesn't even look like there's any screws. It's just these little side clips here. You just pry those back with the little tool provided for you, like so. Should be another set of hands for this. Come on. There we go. And then toss that and put the new one on. It should just clip right in. Yeah, like that. And then plug the connectors back in. I'm making this really difficult. Sorry for the camera angle. I should have grabbed my tripod. Boom. And boom. Nice. Now I put the key back in it. Ruh-roh. Oh, had lock on. Yay! And all the lights are lit up now too. That's special. Cool. Well, that's fixed. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.